The online world is going crazy for rice masks, and we are here to spill the beans. Well, the rice. Tan, meet your worst nightmare. Rice and honey. Rice flour gently buffs away imperfections while honey swoops in with its moisturizing power. Get ready for smoother skin that will have you saying, "Who needs a filter?" Next, we have the ultimate brightening solution for all the dull skin sufferers. Grab 60 ml of rose water and add 2 tablespoons of rice flour to the pan. Let the simmering begin. Once it's cooled down, slather on and watch your skin transform. Who needs store-bought moisturizers when you can DIY your way to fabulous skin? Soaking rice in water for an hour, but hold on, don't throw away that water. It's a toner in disguise. Now, mix 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, 2 tablespoons of rice flour, 2 tablespoons of rice water, and a few drops of vitamin E oil. Give it a good whisk, apply for 15 minutes, and get ready to glow with brighter, super hydrated skin. Hair feeling damaged and dry? Rice to the rescue. Blend rice, coconut milk, and a dash of coconut oil to whip up a hair mask. Apply this mixture from root to tip. Let it work its wonders for 30 minutes and flaunt your fabulous hair. With these rice-inspired treatments, you're just a DIY away from achieving your skin goals. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.